Let's divide 508 by 2. Hey Math Explorers! If you're having fun learning with me, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to Let's Stud for more awesome math adventures. Alright, let's start dividing 508 by 2. First, we look at the digit in the hundreds place. We bring down the 5 from the dividend. How many times does 2 fit into 5? It fits 2 times. Let's check. 2 times 2 is 4. Now we subtract 4 from 5, which leaves us with 1. Great job, you're doing awesome. We have a remainder of 1. Now let's move to the next digit. Okay, we have a remainder of 1. Let's bring down the next digit, which is 0. Now we have 10. We bring down the 0 next to our remainder 1 to make 10. How many times does 2 go into 10? You got it, 5 times. Let's multiply. 5 times 2 equals 10. Subtract 10 from 10 and we get 0. Perfect. Woohoo, you're crushing it. Keep that amazing energy going. Our remainder is 0. Time for the last digit. Last step, bring down the 8. Now we have 8. We bring down the 8 from the dividend to join our remainder. How many times does 2 fit into 8? That's right, 4 times. Let's check our work. 4 times 2 is 8. Subtract 8 from 8 and we get 0. We're all done. You did it. That was fantastic. And that's the end of our division. We've successfully divided 508 by 2. So, 508 divided by 2 is 254. Great job, everyone. We just conquered dividing 508 by 2 using long division. Remember, breaking it down step by step makes even the biggest numbers friendly. That's all for today. Keep practicing, and you'll be a long division superstar in no time. See you in the next video on Let's Stud.